ਤੁਸੀਂ ਵੇਖ ਰਹੇ ਹੋ ABP ਸਾਂਝਾ ਜੋਸ਼ ਜਜ਼ਬਾ ਜਨੂਨ।
वैसे जद भी फैशन की गल आउंदी है ना तो दिमाग च सब तो पहला नाम आता है मनीष मल्होत्रा का। तो रीसेंटली बॉलीवुड का एक फैशन डिजाइनर पहुंचा हुआ सी चंडीगढ़, जिथे असी मनीष के नाल खास गलबात की। आज मैं आपकी मुलाकात करवाने जा रही हूँ बॉलीवुड के बहुत ही रिनाउंड और टैलेंटेड फैशन डिजाइनर मनीष मल्होत्रा के साथ। पहले बहुत बहुत स्वागत है ABP न्यूज़ पे।
थैंक यू सो मच।
तो मनीष, सबसे पहले आपको चंडीगढ़ में आके कैसा लग रहा है? आज आप चंडीगढ़ आए हैं, द वेदर हैज बिकम सो गुड।
I think I've taken all the rains everywhere, right? So I just went to Hyderabad recently and I went to Delhi, and wherever I went the rains followed. So but Chandigarh is beautiful and rains के बाद तो और भी खूबसूरत लग रहा है. And I love coming here. It's such a planned city, such a pretty city, and all smiling faces always. So it's really nice.
एक चीज़ है, I mean, जो everyone wants to know कि मनीष कि कैसे कि डिफाइन करता है फैशन, like what does fashion means to you?
But I think it's fashion changes every season, but there's a certain consistency, right? And for me, I kind of like glamour. I like a celebration of Indian clothes. I like different crafts. I like color. I like a lot of glamour, and I've stuck to my belief, and it's always been that.
पंजाबी कल्चर की बात करूँ तो पंजाबी का जो ये फैशन है, how do you see that?
बहुत खूबसूरत है. Look at Fulkari. By the way, I made a collection Fulkari about a couple of years ago at Fashion Week, and that was selected by the Philadelphia Museum in America. So the Fulkari collection is in America, and I think it's just brilliant. I love the mix of color. I love the vibrance of Punjab. I love the food of Punjab, and I love the fact that we live life. I'm a Punjabi too, and we celebrate life, and I think that's wonderful.
Even like चंडीगढ़ में भी और पंजाबी में भी we will get to see कि आपके और भी labels आएंगे.
Well, I hope so. Well, right now we're in Delhi. We have a big store. We've extended that store. It's a massive store in Delhi. So अभी तक तो वही है.
तो I mean, अगर मैं फैशन और ट्रेंड की बात करूँ तो मनीष आप कैसे देखते हो जो आजकल का फैशन जो चल रहा है? How do you see that?
I think बहुत एक अच्छा एक फेज है फैशन का. It's coexisting, चाहे metallic हो, futuristic हो, organic हो, about sustainability हो, handloom हो, glamour हो. Today everything is coexisting, and I think the millennials, the youngsters, really don't fear being themselves. They don't mind wearing what they want to wear, makeup, clothes, shoes, and I think that what is a good thing is that the parents are also allowing them to be that, and so I think it's a great time for fashion. It's a coexistence.
blooming.
Yeah, it's fluid, you know.
तो एक आखिरी सवाल कि आपने बहुत सारे सेलेब्स के लिए ना आपने डिजाइन किया है, कोई ऐसा सेलिब्रिटी है जिसका फैशन सेंस यू आर इन ऑ ऑफ एंड यू रियली लाइक?
But I think आजकल के सब youngsters really know what they're doing. I mean, they're designers, stylists, actors. Today, the whole generation is very clear of what they want to do, what they want to wear. So, like I said, it's a great time, and there is such a coexistence of time.
अगर कोई स्टार है जिसका फैशन सेंस बहुत पसंद होता है आपको?
I think Alia Bhatt is दो बहुत अलग-अलग चीजें पहनती है, but she's maintained her own individuality. She's maintained her personality in her look, and I think that's appreciable because you can be very swept. Okay, आज मैं ये पहनूं, आज मैं वो पहनूं, but वो अलग-अलग चीजें पहनती है, but yet अपनी एक personality रखती है.
जब भी हम फैशन की बात करते हैं ना तो पंजाबी इंडस्ट्री में दिलजीत दोसांझ के फैशन की बहुत बात होती है. तो
Badsha, look at both of them, fabulous. I think they are fearless. They don't. They want to wear the loose silhouette. They want to wear color, and they both are just fabulous. I mean, I've not met Diljit, but I have met Badsha, and both of them are so fabulous, and they dress fun, and they enjoy what they wear. And I think, see, that's the key. They enjoy what they wear. They don't fear experimenting. They don't fear being the people they are, and they're so talented. They are so up there, successful, but they yet do not fear wearing what they want to, and that is the key.
मनीष, जाने से पहले कोई फैशन टिप आप सारे यंगस्टर्स को देना चाहेंगे?
But I think that, like I've been saying, be yourself. Wear what you want to wear. It's the most important thing, I think, in today's time. And don't fear anything. You have all the right to look glamorous. You have all the right to look sensuous. You have all the right to be beautiful. You have all the right to wear what you want to wear. You want to wear a jacket with sari. You want to wear a skirt. You want to wear, jeans. You want to wear whatever you want to wear. Be the person that you are, and that's so important.
Thank you so much, Manish. Thank you so much. So ये थे हमारे साथ बॉलीवुड के एस फैशन डिजाइनर मनीष मल्होत्रा. कैमरामैन गिरीश के साथ पल्लवी सोनी भी साझा चंडीगढ़.
पंजाब दी हर वड्डी खबर दे लई ABP साझा ते जाके बेल आइकन दबाओ ते ABP साझा ਨੂੰ ਸਬਸਕ੍ਰਾਈਬ ਕਰੋ. ਦੇਸ਼ ਦੁਨੀਆ ਦੀ ਹਰ ਵੱਡੀ ਖਬਰ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਆਪਣੇ ਭਰੋਸੇਯੋਗ ਚੈਨਲ ABP ਸਾਂਝਾ ਤੇ.
ਤੁਸੀਂ ਵੇਖ ਰਹੇ ਹੋ ABP ਸਾਂਝਾ ਜੋਸ਼ ਜਜ਼ਬਾ ਜਨੂਨ।